How to delete your Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Spotify account. So the first thing you want to do is simply open the Spotify application on your mobile device. After that, make sure you are logged into your Spotify account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. And now you'll be taken to the settings page, where you'll have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and then tap on the option support. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the option search and then simply type in delete. Now as soon as you type this much, an option will appear where it says closing your account and deleting yours, so simply tap on it. After that, you'll be taken to this page where if you scroll down, now you'll have to choose whether you have a premium or not. So if you have a premium, tap on this close your account link, but if you don't, tap on this close your account link. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to simply tap on the option close account. Now scroll down and then tap on the option continue. After that, all you have to do is simply tap on the option I understand and then tap on the option continue. Finally, you'll have to check your email address. So now they will send an email to your email address. So all you have to do is open up your mail and then tap on the option delete account or close account from there. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully deleted your Spotify account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.